Okay, so I just got done putting all of this back together. So to those who are looking to do this job, it's very time consuming. It's not hard, it's not easy. All it is just time consuming, and it just requires a lot of patience. Okay, there's a lot of plastic here, so you got to be very patient not to break anything. So take your time, go by the repair manual, and work patiently and efficiently. Now it's time to plug the battery back and start the vehicle and see what we got here. Alright, start the vehicle. And we have power. Okay, so now we can see that it's lit up like a Christmas tree here. So all we need to do is turn the steering wheel from left to right. Or right to left, whatever. Alright, so that clears that. Notice there's no malfunction thing here. So we're just going to go to the menu and go to vehicle info and go to vehicle status just to see if anything comes up, and so far nothing's able to come up, but that's okay. We have a scanner, so we're gonna check our scanner here. Scanner's plugged into the OBD. Hit OK. And then I don't know if you could see that. Let me turn off the light. Now we're on driver. So just hit OK. And then we're gonna go to DME, Digital Motor Electronics. That's gonna give us an idea if there's any misfires or anything. Hit OK. Alright, hit back, and then hit OK, and no trouble codes. Alright, so seems like everything is fine, nothing's popping up on here. Okay, scanner is good, nothing on here. Vehicle status says okay, nothing's popping up. Check controls. Oh, we gotta set our time because the battery. Everything okay. Vehicle check. This has an onboard system, so something would have came here on here if it was a misfire or anything. So, all right, so everything's good on that end. Scanner's good. Let's go out. Let's listen to the engine. And engine's running perfectly fine, nice and quiet. No knocking or anything, ticking, tapping. So we are successful. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody out. It's not a bad job. It's not easy, not hard. Just got to be patient, and you can get it done. Save a lot of money. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button. I got some more videos coming out.